Well, the March 31st, 2023 tornado destroyed parts of Burns Park in North Little Rock. Well, restoration has been underway since then. There's still a lot of work to be done.
Yeah, that's right. Our Caroline Derby is live in North Little Rock. And Caroline, this really is a community effort where people can come out and help with this.
Hey, good morning. That's exactly right. And the goal of one of the many projects that they're having is this weekend to plant trees in this area. I just want to give you a look of Burns Park itself right now. We're kind of near the bayou, near the archery range. This whole area used to have more trees than it does. As you can kind of see, the spaces in between the trees itself where trees used to be, but were knocked down because of the tornado. And as we move over here closer to the water, this is one of the more open spaces where more trees will be planted. Of course, the roots of the trees help with kind of holding that ground together, and that's what they're hoping for too. This project is going to cover about 5 acres. A lot of kayaking takes place on this stretch of water right here, and people just want to have those trees to enjoy, of course, and continue to enjoy Burns Park overall, and continue just to look over here at all these trees too. About hundreds of trees were taken out by that tornado, and around the time that trees were down, they were everywhere broken and twisted up. Over time, Burns Park reopened different sections, but there's still work to be done to restore it back to its original glory. The White Oak Bayou Wetlands Conservancy will plant hundreds of trees on Saturday in Burns Park, covering about 5 acres. Patrick Isbell with North Little Rock Parks and Rec says they can't do this without volunteers. People came together after the tornado to restore the park, but the work isn't done yet.
March 31st tornado that came through Burns Park. It's decimated a lot of trees out here, so we're just trying to replenish the trees and stuff that's on the bayou and throughout the park in Burns Park.
The event runs from 9 to 2 on Saturday, and volunteers will meet at the archery range. But today is kind of starting to kick off some different projects. The Sylvan Hills High School students will be out here cleaning up different trail areas that still may be experiencing some of that damage from the tornado itself. So definitely a community-wide effort to restore Burns Park. A lot of people love and enjoy this place. Lots of different elements to Burns Park, and a lot of history for people in North Little Rock too. I was talking to someone, they grow up going to this park, and to see it kind of ruined by the tornado but also started to come back has been really great too. Reporting live in North Little Rock, I'm Caroline Derby, KARK 4 News.